welcome back. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm and we're at Nanbin Fashion. I'm here today with another of our products. And before I start, I want to remind you guys we still have the promotion going on. We still offer free gifts, free coupons for every order you make. So grab yours before it's over. The month is almost over, so grab it quick. So let's continue to today's product. And this waist trainer is this double-bagged 3-zipper latex waist trainer. Before, I've made a video of the 3-zipper one. I'm sure you're familiar with this one. I've showed you guys the 3 rows of zipper waist trainer, but now I brought you the one with double bagged, alright? So let me review the product for you guys, okay? So this is a latex waist trainer, and like any of the other latex waist trainers, this also have 3 layers. The outside, the nylon one. Then there's the inside one, which is 100% natural latex. And there's the inner lining, which is cotton. So this waist trainer, as you can see, it has 2 detachable zippers. Look at it. These 2 are detachable. So it's just like the 3 hooks, the 3 rows of hooks idea. So when you're done, like when you're used to the 3 zippers, you can just remove one and make it more tighter and then remove it. So it's just like the 3 rows of hooks, but now we brought it back with 3 rows of zippers, alright? And our zippers are YKK zippers. They're the strongest and high quality zippers in the world, being imported from Japan. And we always strive to give you guys high quality products. That's why we start using this zippers, because it's really good quality. It's really strong. Even while struggling, it's not going to break, alright? Another thing about this waist trainer is it has 9 flexible steel bones. You can see it has 9 flexible steel bones, but the additional 2 detachable zippers, you can see the zippers also each have their own steel bones. If you don't want it, you can let us know and we can make it without the steel bones, but we usually make it with the steel bones. So in total, this waist trainer can have 11 flexible steel bones, right? So I told you guys before, the more steel bones a waist trainer has, the more back support it's going to give you and the more durable the waist trainer is going to be. It's going to help the waist trainer against being damaged, alright? So it has a lot of benefits, the steel bones. So I told you guys this has 3 rows of zipper. So it means it has 2 detachable ones. But if you guys want 5 rows of zippers, we can make it up to 5 rows, alright? So you just let us know which you want. And this is really convenient, especially if you want to work out or just if you're in a hurry to wear a waist trainer. It's a zipper, so it's more convenient to zip it up. Hooks and zippers, they have their own advantage and disadvantage, but hooks greatest advantage was usually it has 4 rows, 3 rows, so you can wear it for a long time. Zippers didn't have this option, but now we came up with this waist trainer to give you guys that option to wear the zipper, alright? And so this waist trainer, you can only find it with us at Nanbin Fashion. It's our own design pattern, so if you're interested in this waist trainer, let us know, hit us up, alright? So the main thing that makes this waist trainer different is our double belt as well. It has 2 belts. As you can see, it has 2 belts. And I've said this before, the more belt a waist trainer has, the more back support it's going to give you and the more extra tight it's going to hold you, right? So this waist trainer gives you a lot of advantages, as you can see. And like most of our belts, you can see the Velcro is more than halfway. It's almost 3/4 of the belt, you can see. So it gives you those extra options to wear this waist trainer for a long time. And we have a really strong Velcro. You just saw me struggling to tear it off. So it means you can still wear it for a very long time, okay? So for those of you who are interested in logos as well, you can print your logos on the belt. The belt areas are really convenient to print your logos, but you can also print it next to the zippers or any part of the waist trainer. You just decide where you want it and let us know. We can print it for you guys. We use the heat transfer method to print your logos. And also, I'd like to mention this waist trainer usually comes in 4 colors. We have purple, pink, blue, and black. But if you want your own designs, your own custom colors, you just let us know. So let me wear it and you're going to see what it looks like. So look at this really pretty waist trainer. It's so attracting, like it's so eye-catching. The colors and everything about this waist trainer is bomb. Like this waist trainer really supports your back. The belt gives it that extra support. I can feel it on my back. And also this waist trainer, it gives you more back support, so it's going to improve your posture. You cannot sit hunched. It's not going to allow you to sit hunched. You're going to be forced to sit straight. So this means after you wear this waist trainer for quite some time, you're going to start sitting straight on your own. You don't even need the waist trainer. So it's going to improve your posture. It's going to mold your waist. It's going to give you that hourglass figure. And this is also going to suppress your appetite, because if you eat while wearing this waist trainer, you're not going to eat as much. So you're going to start losing weight. So this waist trainer has a lot of advantages, as you can see. So grab this 3 rows of zipper waist trainers from us. You cannot find it with any other supplier. You can only find it here with us. So grab it, and remember, we have different gifts and coupons going on this month. It's our 6th year anniversary. So grab your order before it's over, alright? So that's it. That's what I had for you today. See you guys next time with more waist trainers. If you're interested in this waist trainer or any other waist trainers, just DM us on our Instagram page. I'll leave it down below. Or you can check out our website and look at all the different designs of waist trainers of our products online. And then you can hit us up on Instagram. I'll see you guys next time with more videos, with more products, alright? So, bye-bye.